How did I use $100 to make $10,000? I bought a spool of Lincoln wire to go in my 140 HD. I put an ad on Craigslist for a tutor, for a welder, fabricator, assistant, and I scored for a contract to help a guy do some fabrication on his older model BMW. I invested $100. That spool of wire did the whole job, and I was still left with some wire left over to do another job. He bought the grinding wheels and all the rest of the things. You see what I'm saying? All I had to do was invest the money to make the ad, have the wire, be willing to go to the job. I literally made $10,000.